Yes, hello.
We need.
So, how can I help you?
We gonna leave after 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
This is boring, Curly.
Oh,
Good.
no, no, no. Wait, let me do one more straight wave for the. Well, yes. Rose, let me do one more statement in the middle one. Wait.
Hmm?
No, no, the straight wave for the middle.
No, we need. Okay. I just
Yeah,
gonna
hello.
wait here.
Yeah. Does anyone come to join? Did anyone?
I want to join.
Oh, you want to join? Uttaran, see this.
Yes.
Passport.
Sorry.
So.
Yes. Oh,
Yes. Wait. Rose can handle. You go to the map
yeah, yeah.
over
Can you?
there.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I will handle it. Can you please show me your passport?
Selim show
How's
me your
recruitment
Yeah,
going
passport.
at
Alex is on the
the
phone
capital?
right now.
Okay.
10
Yeah.
4.
Bro, you are in a sleeping mode. Just move. Hello.
John.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, can you please show me?
10 2. No problem.
Okay, sir, you want to
Okay, so I'm going
join
to search in the.
SHP?
Sir, can you show
Malik?
me your passport again?
Malik, you wanna join SHP?
Sure.
Hello, Malik, can you hear me? Hello,
Sir, you have to be minimum
Uttaran, can you hear me?
5 years in the city? Yes.
Oh, he got a code here.
Sir, you have to be minimum 5 years in the city to become an officer. Come back when you're 5 years. Bye.
Okay.
Journalist, can you come with me?
Oh, wait, I'm doing some important work and I'm in
No
my head.
problem.
Yeah, hello. Rose,
We are
hello.
SHP.
She knows her. She knows me.
I'm
Remove
fine.
your mask.
Just a minute. Uh,
Show me your passport.
okay. Sure.
Show me your licenses.
Sure, bro. Why not?
And you need to get a health insurance from the EMS. They're right here.
Okay, wait a
Go.
minute.
EMS. Give them health insurance. Health
Health
insurance
Health
insurance?
papers.
insurance?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the price of
Here is
health
your health
insurance?
insurance. Let's survive muscle, please.
Oh shit, I have $100 left. Oh, can you give me $100? I will give you from the bank, please. Can you give me $100?
I'm sorry, can you please come here, sir? Come here. Yeah, you need health insurance, right?
Yes, but I have $100 less. I have 1400.
Um,
Can you please give me $100? I will pay you.
because